Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maclea, and today we are tackling a request many of you have been requesting and asking for: how to delete your Instagram account. Before we dive in, there are really important distinctions we need to make: deactivating your account versus permanently deleting it. Deactivating your account is like putting it on a pause. Your profile, photos, comments, and likes are hidden from others on Instagram. You can reactivate your account at any time by simply logging back in. Deleting your account. Deleting your account is permanent. Once you delete it, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and even followers will be permanently removed. You won't be able to retrieve any of that data. If you change your mind, you might have a short grace period, usually 30 days, to log back in and cancel the deletion. But after that, it's gone forever. In this video, we are going to cover how to permanently delete your Instagram account. But don't worry, I'll also quickly show you where the deactivation option is, just in case that's what you actually want. Now, a super crucial step before you do anything permanent: back up your data. Instagram holds a lot of memories, photos, videos, and messages. You absolutely want to download a copy of all the data before you hit delete. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, open up your Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile in the bottom corner of your screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines or hamburger menu in the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, you can select the account center. Afterwards, you can tap your information and permissions. Scroll down, go and press your information and permission. Then click the first statement which says export your information. Afterwards, press export, create export. Click export to device if you want to export to your device or export to external service. So for us, we're going to click export to device and click start export. Here you need to enter your password to prove or to show that it's really you who wants to export your data. As you can see, it has been scheduled and it's being prepared for export. Instagram will now start compiling all your data. These can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours, depending on how much content you have. They'll send you an email with a link to download a file containing all your photos, videos, messages, and more. Make sure you do these and save that file somewhere safe before proceeding with the deletion. Alright, so you've backed up your data. You're sure you want to delete. Now, here's where Instagram makes things a little tricky. They don't want you to leave. So the delete option isn't exactly front and center in the app. Here's how now to either deactivate or delete your Instagram after you have already backed up your data. Go and the hamburger button or the menu up there. Click on account center. Scroll downwards. Go to personal details. Then, as you can see, in the third one, click account ownership and control. Go to the second one, which says deactivation and deletion. Select on the profile that you want to delete. Then, as you can see, you've been given two options. The first one, deactivation. The second one, delete. If you select on the deactivation and continue, you're going to see each and every single thing that you might lose. And if you go back and select delete, then press continue, we're sorry to see you go. We'd like to know why you're deleting your account, as we may be able to help you with common issues. As you can see, Instagram has given you some options that you may select on why you want to leave Instagram. Select the one that looks common to you, then press continue. Afterwards, you're going to be required to enter your password to confirm that it's really you who is deleting the account. Then you're going to have a 30-day grace period, which if you log back in your account after pressing delete, you're going to be given a prompt by Instagram for you to cancel the deletion. So that's how you do it. That's how you either deactivate or either delete, by having your data being backed up from Instagram. Whether you're taking a digital docs, cleaning up your online presence, or just moving on from Instagram, I hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward. It can be a little intimidating with how hidden the delete button is, but with these steps, you should be good to go. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials and how-to guides. Let me know in the comments below why you decided to delete your Instagram account. I'm always curious to hear your reasons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.